What up everyone, Daniel Jerome here and welcome to my masterclass.
Hey yo bro, we're about to start man, get to the mic.
Oh, so incredible. Love the way you roll, straight up on your toe. Oh, 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 oh. You just made a show, my sexy cameo. Now you're in the spotlight. Girl, if there's a ticket, I've got to buy it. Would I miss you for the world? So many ladies want to go, but they don't compete with you. 'Cause you're more than some dressing room excitement. You deserve an encore. Can you hear them screaming?
What I'll be teaching today is a song called Showgirl. It's one of my favorite dances just because it's like very high energy, very fun, but it's also very clean, yeah? So let's get started. First move is you're gonna spin on your right foot. Yes, keep your left leg wrapped around, jump out, and. Yes, so this is 1, and. From here, your left hand's gonna go over your head, bring this knee in, 2, and. Yes, I like to do a little snap here just to add more to the move, yes? From here, you're going 1, and, 2, and. You're gonna hit 3, E, and, step out with your left foot forward, 3, E, and. Yes, notice that I'm bent back, I'm leaning on this move, yes, so 3, E, and. Here, you're gonna squeeze these arms back, and then you're gonna turn. Once you jump into this, you turn right away, yes? Yeah. So if I was to go from the top, it goes 5, 6, 7, slow, 1, and, 2, and, 3, E, and, 4, and, 5. From here, you're gonna do a body roll. Notice that my foot is flexed. You're gonna do a body roll. As you do this body roll, it's gonna go down to your foot. You're gonna bring it in and rebound. So you're gonna roll, hit. Yes, this is basically gonna float upwards, yes? Yeah. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, slow, 1, and, 2, and, 3, E, and, 4, and, 5, and 6, and, you're gonna go kickball change, 7, and, right here. Make sure that this is pointed and you're on your toe. Basically, you're gonna walk on like a tightrope. So imagine that there's a tightrope in front of you. You're gonna step, yes, have this shoulder hit. I'm on my toes still, step, yes, again, step, step. So you want the illusion there as if like this is traveling over each step, yes? Cool. So again from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and, 2, and, 3, E, and, 4, and, 5, and, 6, E, and, 7, and, last move, you're gonna go 8, and. So all you're doing there is you're pushing your shoulders out, leading with the fist. This is gonna go behind your right leg. You're gonna bring this knee up. So basically this leg is popping it up. As I'm also hitting my shoulders, like Michael Jackson, yes? Okay, so the first 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and, 2, and, 3, E, and, 4, E, and, 5, and, 6, E, and, 7, and, 8, and. Okay, it's very important that with this dance, you, of course, have the moves be big, but they also have to be very clean. Like the song is very like upbeat, like hit, 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 hit. Therefore, all your moves like this, hit. Just all of this, hit, and hit. It's kind of like popping, yes? You're gonna have strong hits at every like and count or so. Hit, and hit. From here, you're gonna float this down, float, and then you're gonna hit here again, yes? Even this, like even though this is just like floating, you wanna hit these elbows really hard, like hit, 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 hit. Last move, hit, okay? Moving on from here, so you're 8 and, you're gonna go 1, notice I'm on releve, and you're gonna jump out, point to your left with your right hand, and then you're gonna move your body this way, and then you're gonna come up, left hand on your head, you're not pointing up. So all that is here, here, up. Yes? So, turn, push the heels down. Point, point, up. From here, basically you're gonna jump and slide back, and your hands are gonna push, you're gonna hit here, yes? My focus is gonna be to my right. These wrists, they're very relaxed, but you wanna hit your forearms, yes? So push, hit, you're gonna go look forward, look to the side, and then you're gonna do a ball change here, bring the legs together, clap, you're gonna open them up, hands up, right hand up here, left hand here, mid, down. Make sure you're looking down, yes? And then this should go 7 and 8. Cool. So slowly from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so those are the first 2 8 counts. Could we do it with music? Yeah?
Hey, yo, bro, we're about to start, man. Get to the mic.
Oh, so incredible. Love the way you roll, straight up on your toe. Oh, 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 oh. So you just made a show, my sexy cameo. Now you're in the spotlight.
Okay, so starting again from the top, you're here. Remember, you turn on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8 and from here, this is the second 8 count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah. So moving on, you're here. The music is gonna kind of become more upbeat and go faster, so therefore your moves you're gonna do like a lot more. So we're gonna start doing a little bit of footwork, nothing crazy, but just more explosive than the beginning, yes? So you pulled up, okay? You're gonna go kick, kick, right, left. This hand is usually just sitting at the waist, yes? And again, I'm doing a snap, so kick, right, left. From here, you're gonna bring this left leg behind. Make sure you bend your neck this way, and then you're gonna bring this out, grab. Okay, so you're 1 and 2 and you're gonna cross left over right. 3, you're rolling your body up, but your hands are coming down. Yes, they're basically going against the roll. From here, you're just prepping, bring your left leg back up. Okay, this left hand's going on your head. You're gonna groove, you're gonna go hit, hit. So basically you're just slamming your booty and your heel to the ground. Hit, hit, okay? I like to have my focus here. I think it's more playful, so you can really just play with that, yeah? From this third 8 count. So you're up, 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. From here, really easy, you're just gonna step forward, you're gonna rock. You're gonna go forward, back, and forward, back, okay? Really chill, your arms are just pulling your body towards the groove, yes? Make sure that you double tap so it goes right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Yeah, so from here, 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 stop. From here, you're gonna bring your legs together. It's actually gonna go right, left first, and your arms are gonna be like pushing down on a table. Yes, you're going right, left. It's really important that you have this left knee much higher. Yes, so bring it up so you can slam it down with your arms. Yeah, so from here, this is a kind of fast combo. You're hitting the words. You're gonna go place, so have your left leg out and your hands are just like fingertips are on your shoulders. You're gonna turn your body really strong here, okay? And then you're gonna cross left over right. And when you uncross, basically you're gonna spread these out this way. Now with this, you're just gonna go to the right, yes? So you're like a waiter, you're holding like a plate or something. And then you're gonna come up this way. Notice my focus is to the right, and then it comes up to the left as I bring this together. And this is also higher than this, okay? So very, very slowly from this part, yes? You're going 1 E and 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and groove, 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 stop, right, left, place, turn, uncross, and up, okay? So can we review from the top? You're going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 5 and 6 E and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Here, make sure you look, ball change, clap, up and down, 7 and 8, a 1 E and 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8 E and. Definitely when I play music, you'll hear it and you'll understand. It's basically just here and here, or here and then up. Yes, it's a little fast because you're going with like every syllable of the sentence that he's saying at the end of that part, yeah? Yeah. So from the top, you're going 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and a 5 and 6 E and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 E and a 4 and a 5 and 6 E and 7 and 8, a 1 E and 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8 E and. From here, last another 8 count. Basically you're gonna step, you're doing a box step. Right leg is gonna go first. This hand's just gonna fall down, yes? And then you're just gonna continue this box step left. When you go on your right, oh, well, actually when you go on your left, so you're stepping, throwing this arm away. When you go on your left, you're gonna fan this hand, yes, just like this. Fan, fan, and then basically with this left leg, you're gonna step forward, fan and clap. So you're gonna clap and have this left forward, or this left leg forward. You're gonna kick out with your right. Here, I'm just crossing right over left, and then you're gonna kick out again, but you're gonna put these hands on your hips, yes? So to go over this, you're up, you're just going right, left and left, kick, kick. From here, you're just gonna do left, right, bring your body to the front. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lean back a little bit, and basically you're just gonna bow here, yes? So after you do kick and kick, you're gonna do left, right, and then down. From here, basically you're doing whatever you want to strike 2 poses, so you want to be like here, or anything you want. So after you do this, or here and here, you could be like ha, ha. You know what I'm saying? So like 2 moves of anything you want, 2 poses. I would rather have 2 poses because it'll be easier to go into the next move. So pose, pose. From here, you're gonna jump. Right is gonna be in front of the left. You're gonna have your right hand over your mouth, and then you're gonna bring this chin to your left elbow, and then you're gonna slide these 2 together here, and you're gonna squeeze this, yes? So basically you're squeezing your elbows together, and then you're gonna come down. Yes, so basically you're coming down on your left knee. Really be careful when you do this move, because a lot of people, when they do this, they like to just fall to it. This is actually controlled. So see how all my weight is on my left, and I have my hands placed so that I'm not busting my knee, yes? From here, You're gonna step out with your legs. Yes, and then you're gonna come together and jump. Okay, that's the B-boy in me. So going over from here to here, you're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and whatever. Hear them screaming, yeah. And actually when you come together, you're gonna jump again, because there's 4 yes. Yeah. It's gonna go yeah. Understand? So when you jump, and thing about this is when you jump, you kind of want your hands to be up here, and I want you to bring your knees up, yes, so that you really have a exaggerated jump. Like your body's kind of closing as you're also, again, pushing. Okay? So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 da. Pose. Hear them screaming, yeah. Ooh. So those are the first 4 8 counts of this dance. Definitely, like I said, it's like very strong movements, but if you notice in the beginning, it's like very clean, and then it starts to get really just like fun and just bouncy and groovy, yes? So when you're doing this or when you're practicing this, I definitely want you to focus on just like getting into the music with your movements. Like I said, it's very fun, so your moves should also be very fun and just alive. Everything down from like to this groove to even this groove. It's very, very simple, but like just doing this can be like super fun, and then going into like the combo, yes? Which is like the cool, hard part of the dance.
Hey, yo, bro, we're about to start, man. Get to the mic.
Oh, so incredible. Love the way you roll, straight up on your toe. Oh. So you just made a show, my sexy cameo. Now you're in the spotlight. Girl, if there's a ticket, I've got to buy it. Would I miss you for the world? Cause I'm more than some dressing room excited. You deserve it all, girl. Can you hear them screaming,
All right, everyone, well, that was the class. All I want to say is, like, as you're doing this, please just remember, dance is all about fun. Like, that's the reason why that I dance. It's just really fun for me to do. As I'm doing this dance specifically, it's very fun. And also remember, there's a lot of sharp movements, and then there's also a lot of breathing time, like whoo, hit, and here. Like this is sharp. Even this, hit. There's a lot of like kind of popping elements into it. Not that I know exactly how to pop, but just like there's a lot of strength within all of your movement. Yes, very sharp. So remember that, but like I said, most importantly, have fun. The very important part about this dance is like all the grooves. That's what this dance is based off of, all the just upbeat grooves and letting go, yes? So just remember that. And again, Jerome here, and I just want to thank you for taking my master class today.